Hello everyone, welcome to AvgJoeWatchReviews, where we do more than just reviews. Today we have a very unique video for you because Luminox headquarters actually reached out to me in response to a video that I actually titled Message to Luminox. And in my video I actually give them my honest opinion of this watch. And I've received a lot of feedback from other YouTube subscribers stating that I may indeed have a fake watch. So a rep actually reached out to me and said that he will send me out a watch and for me to review, to show, and also to win back my business. And I'm actually going to produce a second video to go into the details of our correspondence and how pleased I was with the customer service I received from Luminox. So right away, I can just tell you right now that the customer service is well above and beyond anything that I've seen from any other watch company. So that I can definitely give them kudos on. But today, we're just simply doing the unboxing of the Luminox, but please stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to actually do a comparison head to head and actually see whether or not I truly have a fake Luminox with the Luminox that was sent directly from Luminox headquarters. So you definitely won't want to miss that. So with no further ado, let's dive into the unboxing. All right guys, as you can see, shipped to AvgJoeWatchReviews. So we're just gonna dive right on in and get this package open and see what we got. Give you guys a live reaction to this watch. Now the rep reached out to me and said that he's gonna get me a watch that, you know, is representative to the watch that I reviewed, but he actually was gracious enough to upgrade me because this is a blackout, but this is like a, I would say an entry-level model. So he actually got me a chronograph, and this is like a Navy SEAL special, and right now the packaging here is really nice. Check a look at that. So look at this, comes in a nice little case. Plastic, you got Luminox, Swiss made. Pretty simple to open. And it comes with your typical instruction booklet. This should be your warranty card. Is it an international one? Always visible. That's actually the reason that's what brought me to the brand to begin with, because I love these luminescent tubes. And you know what? I shouldn't be showing this watch because right now, the jury's out on whether or not that indeed is a fake. So let's take a look at what is truly an authentic watch. And we're just doing the unboxing. I'm not going to give you guys any other opinion besides just my perspective on this watch. But here we go. The only easy day was yesterday. And guys, this watch, I saw it in the photos that he sent. Actually, it was on the website. It was the, this is just a really beautiful watch. And wait until you see this one. So let's check this out. There we are, guys. Wow. So we're just going to take this out. And it's got some weight to it. It's got some weight. We're actually going to weigh this because I really want to give you guys a full perspective. But this is the carbon. Is this the carbon? The carbon compound case. It's actually got a metal back. This actually feels very substantial, guys. 200 meters, water resistant. Check this out right there. The only easy day was yesterday, and they have it in line with your first 20 seconds, or you can even say 20 minutes on the bezel here. And the bezel action actually isn't half bad. I'm not going to compare, but right away I can tell you that it is better than the other one. But we'll get into that. Even yeah, this is nice. And then we're gonna check the chronograph feature. nice. I'm going to show you guys a lume shot later because this thing has a lot of lume, as you can see on the pip here. Now this pip actually is enclosed in a sapphire crystal. This is mineral crystal. And I'm going to reach out to the rep and ask him why Luminox uses mineral crystal on their watches as opposed to sapphire. Because they're using sapphire on the pip, but why not use sapphire on the crystal itself? Because sapphire is pretty much, I don't want to say unbreakable, but it's definitely stronger and more scratch resistant than mineral. So I want to give him an opportunity to let me know why they do that before I before I say anything further. But that's that's a fact that they use mineral crystal on here. So these pushers here, it looks like they're screw down. And I'm truly seeing, is that just a look or is it true? I think it's a true screw down. I mean, it's actually, let's see. The jury's out on whether or not these are just decorative or these are actual screw down crowns or screw down pushers. So I'm turning it and it seems to just turn, but it's not locking that up. The crown itself is not a lockdown, okay? But it does have substantial crown guards, all right? And we will peel this back. But I mean, that's really nice what they did here in the back, the case back. That is nice. Nice touch. So let's try it on and see how it fits. Today I'm wearing the Seiko Automatic from the Traveling Watch Project. Check it out below here. This is an awesome cause, the custom dial from the Traveling Watch Project. So we'll trade this one off for the Luminox. And I can say that right away that there definitely is a quality feel. There's definitely some heft to it. And let me take off the tag. It's now officially mine. All right, so we're gonna put this baby on and then we'll get you some measurements. This watch is substantial on the wrist, but man, I'll tell you what, I really am enjoying this right away, just to tell you right off the bat. We're probably not gonna see too much here, so I don't even wanna. So I'll show you guys a lume shot to give you a couple pictures right here. But yeah, so what you have here is, I believe they said it was a 45 millimeter. So we're going to check that spec out. Let me try to give you a true reading here. We're looking at a 45 millimeter, okay? Now, if we go from crown to this outer portion here, we're looking at a 50 millimeter. If you go lug to lug here, lug to lug, we're looking at a 50. So this watch will fit large on a wrist. I have a 7-inch wrist. And let's take a look at the thickness. This is a 15 millimeter in thickness. But as I said, it's got a lot of heft. So let's just weigh this. All right, so we are zeroed out and we're gonna go with ounces first. So let's go ahead and weigh the watch. Okay, so we're we're just going to lay that right there. And we're looking at 3 ounces. Okay. And I'll even do it this way as well, just to, yeah, we're looking at 3 ounces. And we're going to compare it to the other Luminox, just in this case. And that's 2 ounces. So yeah, guys, this is the unboxing of the Luminox. The only easy day was yesterday, Navy SEAL watch. And I have to say, this is definitely a hefty watch. This definitely has it's definitely a it feels rugged. It does. But I do want to ask about the mineral crystal. So when we look at the bezel action, there's a little bit of play there, but as you can hear with the clicks, very solid, very mechanical, very, the clicks are very just precise. So, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is a 60 click bezel. So yeah, it's a 60 click bezel. But as I said, there's definitely a preciseness to it. It doesn't feel cheap. And you've got the Luminox sign crown. As I said, I think these are really for show. I don't think that these, because I mean, you don't have a screw down crown, so I don't see why they would do a screw down pushers. But I have to say that, here we go here, genuine rubber, but it's a quality rubber. It's definitely a rubber that I don't see would you know, break easily. It definitely seems tough. It stretches. But yeah, it looks like a well-built watch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to wear this for a few days, and then I'm gonna put out a second video, which will do a comparison between this one and this one, and see whether or not Average Joe was indeed duped. So you'll definitely want to tune in and find out. Special thanks to Luminox headquarters for this watch, and also for just their excellent customer service. They made me feel like a valued customer, and they wanted to make a wrong a right, even though it wasn't even their wrong. This was actually sold on eBay, the one that I received here, but yet they want to make it right. So I'm extremely pleased by the customer service, and I have to say I'm extremely pleased by this watch so far. So let me wear it for a few days. I have some yard work that I need to do, so I'm going to put it through the tests, and then I'll check back with you in the next video. So thank you guys for watching, and remember that there's always time to be kind to one another. Take care of each other, and I'll see you guys next time on Average Joe Watch Reviews.